Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Devo Maheshwara, Guru Sakshat Param Brahma, Tatmai Sri Guruve Namaha. Vanakkam, Namaste. Welcome, ladies and gentlemen. Thanks for joining Astro Sahadevan channel and this video. I request you to watch my previous videos wherein I started covering from some of the fundamental aspects, fundamental points of astrology, so that you can understand this specific video better and also the videos to come. And thanks for your continued support. In today's Astro Info, we are going to see certain types of sthanas, that is positions, houses. In the past, we have seen Shara Rashi, Sthira Rashi and Upajayasthana Rashi. And also we have seen the Rashis categorized, like fire house, land house, air house and water house. Today, we are going to see yet another categories. Total 3 categories we are going to cover. Number 1 is Kendra houses, that is angular houses, so like square points. Number 2 is Trikona houses, that is triangular houses. And the next point what we are going to cover is Upajayasthana, that is the houses supporting the success, help to achieve the success. In our horoscope, any horoscope, we know the first house is Lagna. Okay, until and otherwise we specify or we speak about Gochar movement of the planets. We normally speak that first house refer to only Lagna. Okay, it's not Rashi. So, what is Kendra houses? That is, we can call it as 4 houses which forms a perfect square. Okay, and we call it as angular houses. So, starting from first house, 4th house, 7th house and 10th house. That is 1, 4, 7, 10. So these are the 4 houses called Kendra houses, and lots of these houses called Kendra Adhipati. Okay, normally in horoscope, the 1, 4, 7, 10 are termed to be very strong and excellent houses. Normally, it is these Kendra houses 1, 4, 7, 10 are good and they are well connected to Lagna, and these form a perfect square. So if you in a clock, if you connect the number 1, 4, 7, 10, you will get a perfect square. Okay, and these houses are basically good, be it any category of Rashi, whether it is Shara, Sthira or Upaya, no problem. As far as your Lagna is concerned, 1, 4, 7, 10 are the Kendra houses, and they, the Kendra houses mean they are the house of action and execution. And planet sitting in Kendra, we say the planet is sitting in Lagna Kendra, that is either in Lagna or 4th house from Lagna, 7th house from Lagna or 10th house from Lagna. So be it any natural auspicious or inauspicious planets, these 4 houses are really good. Especially if you see 1st house and 7th house probably not that good for inauspicious, that is a natural malefic planet, inauspicious planet like Shani and Mangal, because a planet sitting in Lagna as per 7th house and planet sitting in 7th house as per Lagna. So for malefic planets like Shani, Mangal and Rahu Ketu, 4th and 10th houses are excellent Kendra houses. Whereas for auspicious planets, definitely 1 and 4 are excellent Kendra houses than 4 and 10. So Kendra houses are the sthana of action and execution. Coming to the next aspect, that is Trikona houses, that is triangular points. Same way starting from Lagna, 1, 5, 9. These are the houses called Trikona houses, and a lot of these houses called Trikona Adhipati. Same way in a clock, you connect the number 1, 5, 9, you will get a perfect triangle, equilateral triangle where all the sides are equal and the angle is equal, all the sides. So Trikona house is another excellent category of houses wherein you know very well first house Lagna in both the cases. Fifth house talks about your luck, Upajayasthana, all those stuff. Whereas ninth house talks about all fortunes. We call it as Bhagyadipati, Bhagyasthana. So while the Kendra houses talks about your action and execution, these houses, that is Trikona houses, 1, 5, 9, they talk about your fortunes and luck. Okay, and of course you may not have to do something special to get these. This all depends on how fortunate you are as far as this birth is concerned, so that your fifth house and fifth house lord and fifth houses, as I mean both the place and the lord of the place, Bhavaka and Bhavakadipati, are well positioned, so that the naturally you in your life you get all the fortunes, all the luck and all the opportunities, etc. Okay, so Trikona houses predominantly meant for auspicious planets like Guru, Shukra, and bright Chandra, and Buddha, who is alone, that is solitary Buddha. So only for natural Shubhagrahas, these Trikona houses are very, very auspicious, and for malefic planets, that is natural inauspicious planets, Trikona houses are not recommended. It is termed that if a bad planet sits in Trikona houses 1, 5, 9, they happen to spoil that house and then start giving the benefits. So Kendra houses is basically good for all the planets, in which also 1 and 7 basically meant for good, and 4 and 10 are meant for inauspicious planets. Whereas Trikona is concerned, all the 3 houses meant for auspicious planets only. Well, these are very strong 3 houses, and normally I used to mention, if a person need to have very lucky horoscope, 1, 5, 9, these are the 3 houses. As far as the Adipati, lords of these houses should be in an excellent condition, non-malefic. If this happened to be your horoscope and you happen to fall in the favorable belt of Mahadasha as per your Lagna, definitely you are one of the luckiest person. Coming to other heading, the third heading is called Upajayasthana. Jayasthana means victory house or success house. Upajaya means it is supporting house for your success. The Upajayasthana are the 4 houses, that is 3, 6, 10 and 11. So 3rd house, 6th house, 10th house and 11th house. So these are the houses. Normally these houses are meant for by and large all the planets, especially for malefic planets or inauspicious planet. The two, the planets who are not good for your Lagna. Okay. For example, Guru being the most auspicious planet is not a favorable planet for Shukra's 2 Lagnas, Rishabha and Tula, and vice versa. Shukra is not that auspicious or that supporting, favoring planet for 2 Lagnas of Guru, that is, Dhanush and Meena. So, this kind of planets, natural malefic planets, and your Lagna Avayogi, that is, the planets who are opponent to your Lagna, depends on the Guru Shukra team, if you could recall my previous video. So these kind of planets happen to sit in 3, 6, 10, 11 is really fantastic. They support a kind of positive vibration and a kind of helping you to fight against any kind of difficulties. Among these 3, 6, 10, 11, there are very, very special points for the 2 houses, 3rd house and 11th house. Let me say how it is. I am sure everybody should know this. Talking about 11th house. If you see 11th house from Lagna, 1st house, we know very well already 6th and the 8th house are not that great houses, right? They have got a lot of unwanted things in life, even though they have got certain good things. So talking about 6th house, if you count 6th house from 6th house, that we call it as Bhavat Bhavaka. From 6th Bhavaka, you count or you go to the 6th house. 6th house of 6th house, you will get 11th house. So a planet in 11th house is expected to help you from from the sufferings. It helps you to recover from the sufferings that you are getting from sixth house. While sixth house give you Runa, Rog and Kshatru, enemies, health issues and financial crisis. When sixth house gives all this, sixth house, that is 11th house, help you to get relieved from disease, enemies and your financial problems. So sixth house, as per Bhavaka, 11th house is a remedial for the sixth house. Either 11th house in the sense 11th house lord or a planet sitting in the 11th house will help you to recover from the difficulties what you get from sixth house. So is the case with 8th house. We know 8th house has got a lot of unwanted things similar to 6th house. Of course, it adds certain other things like bad name, insult and defamation, accidents kind of stuff. So 8th house of 8th house, if you count, you will get 3rd house. Again, that is on the concept of Bhavaka. So 8th house of 8th house being 3rd house, a planet sitting in the 3rd house or lord of the 3rd house is expected to relieve you from the tough situation or hardships that you are undergoing because of 8th house. So that way the 3rd house and 11th house are really fantastic houses, and it holds good for any planet that works against you. Any natural malefic planets as well as the planets which are not suitable for your specific lagna as per the planet team that we discussed. So I hope friends you had a fair idea of Kendra, 1, 4, 7, 10 houses who work as pillars, and Trikonasthana, that is triangular houses, and Upajayasthana, that is houses supporting your success. In future videos, we will be frequently using these terms so that you will be able to connect the contents and understand the astrological concepts better in the future videos. Thanks for watching, and please like and share this video and subscribe to this specific channel, Astro Sahadevan. So let us catch up in the next video. Till then, thank you so much. God bless and cheers.